Hello guys, I am Engineer Muhammad Adnan Khan and you are watching my channel Being Engineer. Today I am going to start a series of 100 most important and repeated MCQs which are both equally important for civil engineers and sub-engineers. These MCQs are collected from tests conducted by KPSC, FPSC or PPSC or by testing services like NTS, ETA, PTS for the departments of C&W, local government, Park PWD and WAPTA. This is the part 1 of the series. So you are requested to please watch complete series. These MCQs will definitely help you out. So let's start. First MCQs is density of water is maximum at. The choices are A 0 degree centigrade, 0 degree Kelvin, 4 degree centigrade or 100 degree centigrade. The right answer for this question is option C 4 degree centigrade. The second MCQ is the property of fluid by which its own molecules are attracted is called adhesion. Adhesion is the properties that the property of molecules are attracted towards the surface of any material. So this is not correct option. Cohesion, option B. Viscosity is something else. Compressibility is something else. So the right option for this question is number B, cohesion. So cohesion is the property of fluid by which its own molecules are attracted is called as cohesion. Third MCQ is the gas which causes explosion in sewer is called number 1 carbon dioxide, number 2 methane, C ammonia, D carbon monoxide. So it is the methane gas that causes explosion in sewer. So the correct option is option B. Option number 4, acid regression stage of sludge digestion at a temperature 21 degree centigrade extends over a period of 90 days. So the correct answer is D 90 days. It required 90 days for acid regression stage of sludge digestion at a temperature of 21 degree centigrade and it extends up to 90 days of period. Number 5 MCQs is the coagulant which is generally not used for treating sewages. Option A alum, B ferric chloride, C ferric sulfate, D chlorinated copper. The correct choice for this MCQs is A alum. Alum is not generally used for treating sewage. Number 6. The property of fluid which enables it to resist tensile stresses is known as option A compressibility, B surface tension, C cohesion, D adhesion. The right option for this question is B surface tension. Number 7. Liquids, option A cannot be compressed, do not occupy definite shape. Number C are not affected by change in pressure and temperature. Option D none of these. Liquids can be compressed. Number B do not occupy definite shape, are not affected. Liquids do affected by change in pressure and temperature. So we are left with option B. Liquids do not occupy because it adopts the shape of container in which it is kept. So the option B is correct. Liquid do not occupy definite shape. Number 8. Critical path. What is critical path? Option A is always the longest path, is always shortest path. Option C may be longest. Option D may be shortest. So it's simple. Critical path is always the longest path. Number 9. Residual soils are formed by glaciers. Option B wind. Option C water. Number D none of these. The answer for this MCQ is none of these because residual soils are weathering products of rocks that are commonly found under unsaturated conditions. The properties of residual soils are a function of the degree of weathering. So residual soils are found by weathering action, not by glaciers, wind or water. So the right option is none of these and the correct answer should be weathering. Which of the following soils are transported by gravitational forces? A. Loess, B. Talus. C. Drift. D. Dune sand. So the correct answer for this question is B. Talus. Number 11. Constant head permeameter is used to test permeability of option A. Silt. B. Clay. C. Coarse sand. D. Fine sand. So the right answer is C. Coarse sand. The permeameter is used to test permeability of coarse sand. The right answer is option C. Number 12. The ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of soil mass is called as option A. Air content. B. Porosity. C. Percentage air voids. D. Voids ratio. So the right answer for this question is B. Porosity. Porosity is the ratio of volume of voids to the total volume of soil mass. So the right option is porosity. Number 13. Toughness index is defined as the ratio of number A. Plasticity index to consistency index, plasticity index to flow index, number C. Liquid index to flow index, number D. Consistency index to flow index. The right answer is option B. Plasticity index to flow index. So the toughness index is defined as the ratio of plasticity index to flow index. Number 14. If the plasticity index of soil mass is 0, the soil is option A. Sand, number B. Clay, option C. Silt, option D. Clay silt. If any soil that do not have any plasticity or molded into any shape is said to be sand. So the right answer for this question is option A. Sand. The last MCQs of this part 1 is quartzite is a siliceous rock, argillaceous rock, option C. Calcareous rock, D. Aqueous rock. So the right answer for this is siliceous rock. That's all for today. You are requested to subscribe my YouTube channel Being Engineer and watch the full series of 100 MCQs that will definitely help you out in competitive exams.